I really don't know what to say. I'm full of gratitude right now, I guess. This is such an honor. I do not feel elevated above any of my other fellow nominees or anyone else in the room because we all share the same love, the same carpentry love, the same love for tools. The form of expression has given me the most extraordinary tool review life. I don't know what I'd be without you guys. So, thank you. But I think the greatest gift that it's given me, and many of us in this room, is the opportunity to use our voice for the voiceless. I've been thinking a lot about some of the distressing issues that we've been facing collectively, and I think at times we feel or are made to feel that we champion different causes. But for me, I see commonality. I think whenever we're talking about the size of our tool, its runtime, or job site dust, or 12 volt versus 18 volt tools, we're talking about the fight for the best tool. We're talking about a fight against the belief that one nation, one tool, one brand, one type of tool, or even tool nerds have the right to use tools, build stuff, use and create amazing things with them. That's why this is so remarkable. When we started, it was just me and a camcorder here in my basement shop, along with Luna and Gracie. Sometimes. But now, we've reached over 200,000 followers. That's just plain amazing. To get here, we've had to work hard. I haven't always been able to walk you on time, to take you out for walks. I haven't always been able to feed you on time. But I'm so grateful that so many of you in this room have given me a second chance. And I think that's when we're at our best, when we support each other. Not when we cancel each other out for past mistakes or become a keyboard video comment warrior or the grammar police or the job site safety whistleblowers. But when we help each other grow, when we educate each other on tools, tool use and the types of tools, and that's when we guide each other towards redemption, toward that perfect, beautiful tool nirvana of tool purchases. That is the best of the tool world humanity.
To all of our fans out there over the years, thank you for your support.
Everybody, thank you so much for your support. We'll see you at the next tour review.